You've been home for months now. Cities are opening up for business again.
But between protests and too many people in the nail salons,
And coronavirus cases spiking.
but it's still too early to go back to normal. So maybe you're going to stay close to home a bit longer.
But if staying cooped up with your nearest and dearest is too much,
Hey!
then go out and commune with nature.
If you don't have your own private nature preserve, then steal someone else's.
Well, it's not stealing if it's public property. If you own your own home, the sidewalk is the responsibility of the city, so it belongs to everybody. Right outside your door is a little patch of green that needs some lazy gardening.
The sidewalk is public space, and you are the public. So here is your own public nature preserve.
Remember, the point of lazy gardening isn't gardening.
It's just to get outdoors.
Hey! Here's a garden trowel and garden shears. If you don't have that, you can just use a serving spoon from the kitchen and kitchen shears. Work with your hands and let your mind wander. You could listen to some music or a podcast, but you should keep those headphones out of your ears.
Have your Zen moment while you listen to the cars, the birds, to the neighbors fighting because they've been cooped up too long. And then,
Water the plants you want to thrive. Withhold water from the plants you want to fail, like non-profit theater.
let no one come between you and nature.
This little plot is the stage, and the plants are merely players. You are the director. Set the stage.
Be content in the knowledge that you did something nice for the earth and for your neighbors. For about an hour. Remember, this is lazy gardening. I'm Annette.
And I'm Michael, and this is Adventures at Home.